Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the old Counter-Strike version back on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several tabs there and you want to click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where all your installed and available games are listed. Now, in the left panel where all your games are displayed, locate Counter-Strike 2 in the list. Once you find it, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 to bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window with all the detailed settings and information about the game. In the Properties window that appears, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Game Versions and Betas. This section is specifically designed to let you access different versions of games, which is exactly what we need to roll back to the older Counter-Strike version. Once you're in the Game Versions and Betas section, you'll see a list of available Counter-Strike versions. Browse through these old Counter-Strike versions to find the one you want to revert to. Each version will be clearly labeled with its release date or version number, making it easy to identify which build you're looking for. When you've found the version you want to get back, click the circle next to that version name to select it. This tells Steam which specific build of the game you want to use instead of the current Counter-Strike 2 version. After you select your preferred version, Steam will automatically begin downloading the old Counter-Strike Global Offensive version. You'll need to wait a few moments while Steam downloads and installs the older version of the game. The download time will vary depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the version you're installing. Once the download completes, you'll be able to launch and play the classic Counter-Strike experience you've been looking for. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.